Now that you know how to build a basic form with text and passwords, let's add selection options. These allow users to choose from a list of choices. 1. Radio buttons. Type radio. Use these when you want the user to select only one option from a list, for example, gender yes, no, or MCQ answers. Key attribute name. All radio buttons in a group must have the same name. This tells the browser if I click one, deselect the others.
To check checkboxes, type checkbox.
Use these when you want the user to select multiple options, for example, skills, hobbies, or I agree to terms. Different users can check as many boxes as they want.